What if we could travel at the speed of light? Imagine the possibilities that would open up. The laws of physics would be challenged in ways we can't even fathom. With light speed travel, distances that once seemed insurmountable would become reachable in an instant. Exploring the vastness of space would no longer be a dream but a reality. Planets in far-off galaxies could be within our reach, their mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Time itself would become a fluid concept as we moved through space at unimaginable speeds. The concept of aging would be redefined as we traveled through the universe in the blink of an eye. The very fabric of reality would be altered by our ability to travel faster than anything known to us. But with great power comes great responsibility. The impact of light speed travel on our environment must be considered. The risk of colliding with space debris or other celestial bodies would be a constant concern. The technology required to achieve light speed travel would be beyond anything we currently possess. The energy needed to propel a spacecraft to such speeds would be immense and possibly unsustainable. Would the human body be able to withstand the forces of acceleration and deceleration required for light speed travel? The effects of traveling at such speeds on the human mind are also unknown. Could it alter our perception of reality? The very essence of what it means to be human could be fundamentally changed by this new mode of transportation. The economic implications of light speed travel would be vast, opening up new opportunities for trade and commerce. Cultural exchange between different planets and civilizations would become a commonplace occurrence. The diversity of life in the universe would be revealed in all its wonder and complexity. But with this newfound knowledge comes the responsibility of preserving the delicate balance of life. Exploring new worlds would bring with it the risk of introducing alien pathogens to our own planet. The potential for conflict with other intelligent species must also be carefully considered. Our understanding of the universe and our place within it would be forever altered by light speed travel. The mysteries of the cosmos would be laid bare before us, waiting to be explored and understood. But with every new discovery comes the potential for unforeseen consequences. The ethical implications of interfering with other civilizations must be carefully weighed. Could our presence in the universe disrupt the natural order of things? Or could we learn from other civilizations and advance our own society in ways we never thought possible? The possibilities are endless, but so too are the risks. One thing is certain: the advent of light speed travel would mark a new chapter in the history of humanity. Our journey through the cosmos would be one of discovery, wonder, and possibly even danger. But it is a journey that we must undertake if we are to unlock the secrets of the universe. So, what if we could travel at the speed of light? The answer remains to be seen.